Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And today I'm here to share with you another recipe. Yes guys, नवरात्रि के 9 दिन चल रहे हैं and इसमें मैंने सोचा क्यों ना नवरात्रि के लिए कोई रेसिपी बनाई जाए. So this recipe, as you know by name, is Sabudana Pops. These are very easy and they are hand picked foods. तो आप अगर इसे गेस्ट्स के सामने भी रखते हैं तो ये बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. नो वन कैन से नो टू दिस रेसिपी. दिस इज़ क्विक, दिस इज़ ईजी, दिस इज़ यमी एंड दिस इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर नवरात्रि. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस एट योर होम. एंड अगर आपको जानने का है कि हम ये साबुदाना पॉप्स घर पे बहुत ईजिली कैसे बना सकते हैं, देन प्लीज़ कीप ऑन वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल द एंड. For this recipe, we're gonna start by taking soaked sabudana, and to this we're gonna mash some potatoes. These are boiled potatoes, and then we'll add some crushed peanuts to this mixture. And now we're gonna season this with some salt, some red chili powder, and some jeera. The exact quantities of each ingredient is given in the description box below, so you can check it out. And now we will add some freshly chopped coriander and some finely chopped green chilies. It is entirely optional. You can absolutely skip the green chilies if you want. And then finally mix all of these ingredients together to form a dough of this sort. Now we are going to take smaller ball-sized portion of this dough and make small balls out of it, just like shown in the video. I am giving these slightly flattened shape because that really helps while frying. Repeat this step for the remaining dough. Now we will move on to frying these sabudana balls. Just when the oil is medium hot, drop in few sabudana balls in the oil. You can keep stirring them from time to time. Just be extremely careful while frying these because they sometimes do explode. So just take all the precautions. And once they turn into golden brown color of this sort, take them out on an oil absorbent paper. Serve these sabudana pops with a dip of your choice. It works really well with the green coriander chutney. Enjoy! So guys, I hope you liked this recipe. ये recipe आपको कैसी लगी? Do let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know if you would want me to make more such recipes and I would love to share it with you guys. You can also leave down your recipe suggestions if you have any. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.